Okay, so today we are opening up our new topic. This is data handling, and under data handling we looked at this topic just right from primary 4. This is same as statistics. Then we are going to look at range. We have a range, we look at mode, then we have mean, then we have frequency, and also what we can call average. So here we are going also to look at the pictographs, the bar graphs, and the pie charts. So in this lesson we are going to start with range. We are going to start by looking at range. So mathematically, what does range mean? So range is the difference between the highest value and the lowest value. So range is the difference between the highest value and the lowest value. Therefore, when you are getting range is equal to the highest value minus the lowest value. Let us get some examples here. Find the range. So we have to find the range 1, part A, the range of 5, 13, 7, 8, and 9. So we have to get a range. Remember, we said the range is obtained by getting the highest value minus the lowest value. So we are going to arrange our numbers from the smallest to the biggest. So the smallest is a 5, then from a 5 we go to a 7, then 7, 8, we have 9 and 13. So this is the lowest, this one is the highest. Therefore, range is going to be obtained as 13 minus 5. Then the answer becomes 8. So let us get another example here. This one, this is 30%, then 60%, then 20%. We have 40% and 90%. So what is the range? So range is equal to highest value minus lowest value. What is the we arrange our percentages. We have the smallest, it is 20, followed by 30%, the percentage, sorry, then followed by 40%, then 60%, and lastly is 90%. So lowest is the 20, highest is the 90. So our range is equal to 90% minus 20%. So what is the answer? The answer becomes 70%. So part C here we have 0, negative 7, 3, and negative 13. So here we are having range that is involving negatives. Let us consider someone who is climbing a ladder. Let us assume this is our ladder. So this is the midpoint of the ladder. This is a 0. So from 0 here you are going up 1 step, 2 steps up, 3 steps down, up, 4 steps up. Then we have from 0 here you are going down 1 step, negative, meaning that you are going backwards, 2 steps down, 3 steps down, 4 steps down, then 5 steps down. Now we are considering if now I'm at if someone is at 1 step here down and another one is at 4 steps up, down. Still this is Akim, maybe this is Agaba. Now when you look at Agaba and Akim, who is above the other? So it means that Akim is above Agaba. Agaba is on which step? The negative 4 step down, that is negative 4, and Akim is that 1 step up, meaning that negative 1 is greater than negative 4, because negative 1 is above negative 4. So negative 4 is below, meaning that negative 4 is smaller. Negative 4 is smaller than negative 1. If we add on, we go to negative 6, negative 7, then we have negative 8. Now if Sise is here at negative 7 and Hakim is at negative 1, who is above the other? So Hakim is above. So I'm here down 1 step down, and Sise is 7 steps down, meaning that this one is below and this one is above. So 1 is above negative 7, meaning that 1 is greater than negative 7. So from here, meaning that the more you go to negatives, the less the negatives become, meaning that negative 100 is smaller than negative 1, meaning that negative 1 is greater than negative 100. Hope you've understood that. So we have to use this idea to arrange these numbers here. So if these are numbers, we can draw our ladder. So we start with the 0, then we go up 3 steps, then we have down 3 steps, negative, and this. So we arrange them from the biggest. So the biggest is going to be a 3, then 0, -3, and the odd is going to be, the last one is going to be -7. Then our range, so range is equal to highest value minus lowest value. Therefore, what is the highest value? 3 is the highest value, this is the lowest value. So 3 minus this minus here, then what is this one? -7. So from integers, we all know negative times a negative we get a positive. Therefore 3 plus 7, the range becomes a 10. Let us get another example here. So let us get this example here. This is -9, -3, -4, -1. So we have to arrange our numbers right from the smallest to the biggest. So we can draw our ladder, then we can start with the starting number as a number line. So we have -1, so from 1 we go to -3, from -3 we go to 4, then lastly a 9, meaning that the last one is a 9 and the first one is -1, meaning that the highest number here it is -1. So the order it is -1, -3, -4, and -9. So this is the highest and this one is the lowest. So our range is equal to highest value minus the lowest value. So what is the highest value? -1 minus this one. What is the lowest value? -9. So negative times negative we get a positive. So this is -1 plus 9. So we get 8, meaning that they are demanding you 1, you have 9. So you remove this one, they are demanding you from the 9, you remain with the 8. So that is our range. Okay, so let us get this one also. This other example D, that this is -5, -4, -5, 1, 0, and -1. So we have to arrange. So if we are to arrange, let us draw our ladder. Our ladder here. So we are having a 0, then going up one step, the positives, then we come to -1, you go to -4, then you go to -5, meaning that the highest number is 1, 0, -1, -4, and -5. So what is the range? Range is equal to the highest value minus the lowest value. Then what is the highest value? 1 minus what is the smallest? -5. Remember we've said negative times negative we get a positive. So 1 plus 5, what are we getting? We are getting a 6. Alright, let me hope that we are still moving on together. So let us rub here, we get space. So we are now continuing. We are going to see the word problem. So how would we solve these numbers of range when we are given problems, or when we are given words to get the problem, then we solve the problem. So for instance, they can tell us the range of two numbers is 12. The range here, it's now in words, the range of two numbers is 12, full stop. If the smaller number is 20, full stop, find the bigger number. So you have to find a bigger number. So what is given? They have given us the range. So the guiding word is range. How do we get the range? Highest value minus the lowest value. So what is the range? They're telling us that the range of two numbers is 12. So the range is 12 equaling to what is the highest number? So if the smaller number is 20, so the smaller number is 20 here, then minus what is the bigger number? So we don't know the bigger number, so let the bigger number be y. Therefore we have our equation, which is y minus 20 is equal to 12. From primary 5 we know how to solve these ones. Y minus 20 plus 20 is equal to 12 plus what? 20. So y is equal to 12 plus 20. That one is going to give us 32. So let us continue. Let us get other examples. Okay, so we are having this one. The range of two numbers is 6. The range of two numbers is 6. The range of two numbers is 6. If the smaller number is 8, full stop, find the bigger number. Find the bigger number. So here we have find the bigger number. So let the bigger number be y. So what is our range? Range is obtained as highest value minus lowest value, meaning that highest value minus lowest value is equal to the range. So what is the highest number? It is y minus the smallest number. The smallest number is 8, the smaller number. So what is the range? The range is 6. So y minus 8 plus 8 is equal to 6 plus what? Plus 8. So y is equal to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So the bigger number is 14. So let me hope that you've understood that. Try out the following. So our number 1 says find the range of the following. Find the range of the following. So 1, we have 40%, 90%, 20% and 15%. Part A. Part B is 5, 9, 14 and 20. Then part C, -3, -9, -6 and -1. Then part F, 2, 0, -1, -3 and 6. So number 2 here, it is telling us that the temperature on Thursday, the temperature on Tuesday rose from -10 degrees Celsius to 6 degrees Celsius. What was the range? What was the range? Then number 3, the range of two numbers. The range of two numbers is 16. Find the big number. Find the smaller number. No, find the bigger number. Find the bigger number if the smaller one, if the small number is 9. Number 4, the range of two numbers is 17. If the small number is 11, find the big number. So you have been a good learner. Let me wait to see what you've done.